It starts with a simple traffic violation, just another routine stop on a busy street, but within seconds everything changes. The suspect hesitates, then takes off. Now officers are forced into a fast-moving pursuit through city roads, where every turn, every second, could make the difference between control and chaos.
Alright. North Main and Columbia College on a black Chrysler 300 speed. I don't have the 28 yet. This guy pulled out in front of me and did an improper turn, and now he's going almost 70. I know.
Just got a call at 3912 about someone stuck in the bathroom. Can we check with him and it's not our person?
Coming.
I'm going on that.
178.
28's gonna be LEP. Hey, he's taking off. Go. All right, Clarendon Street coming up to Burke Avenue, taking a right on Burke. Clear, clear, clear.
Region 3, North Main Street and Market Street, North Main Street and Market
Captain
Street.
Danny Brown just got the call about this as well.
Trying to see where he's at first. Hey, where's Burke Street at, Paul? He said Burke. Where's Burke?
I'm losing him on the side streets. Had to clear an intersection on Colonial or Wentworth Drive.
And there it is, the breaking point. The suspect loses control, crashes out, and immediately tries to run. Officers switch tactics instantly from vehicle pursuit to foot chase. This is high-risk territory.
Somewhere
One wrong move here could turn deadly. Do you chase aggressively or slow it down and contain?
Drive. Oh, there we go.
Where do you have eyes on him?
Hold on, stay. D1050 somewhere on Lorick and Glendon. Yep.
Sure, what kind of cars?
I got him behind the school.
Back 300. Back 300.
Hey, up! I'm gonna put the dog on you if you do anything stupid. Turn around. Down the ground. Give me your hand. Give me your hand, bro. I swear to God, if you put that hand in front of you, keep it behind your back. Okay? Yeah, we'll call you out. Get on your stomach. I'm tired of that. Yeah, he's drunk as hell. Yeah, sure. Sorry, I got the siren and everything. I got 167. Yes. You good? You hurt? Why? Oh, I gotta turn that siren off. It's gonna drive me nuts. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What? Yeah, in a minute. Come on now. It's not on your time. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Come on, man, get that camera out of my face.
Yeah, in a minute. Golly.
All right, we're at Wentworth and Lorick with the car.
Can you tell I'm still 18? Sorry, I had to handle all this. All right, you got anything on you? All right, I'll stand you up one more time. I'm sorry I sat you down, but I had to take care of that.
From the left side, please.
Yeah. Ready?
Car's clear.
Region 3.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I mean, there's 1,000 sirens. Come
Hey, car's clear.
I'll get your
Where
phone.
you at, O'Shea?
behind the school or whatever the heck this thing is. Okay, we'll fix it. I got blood on my hands too.
Come over to me, please.
Okay. All right.
10-17, yeah.
Yeah, you got gloves. Let me clean these off.
Hey, you behind that school where you wrecked out at?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, I got the car. Somebody can go behind this elementary school off in Wentworth, off Hyatt Park
Okay,
Elementary.
first stop of the day.
The driveway right here, lead right back to him.
Right back to him.
He took an improper turn right in front of me on North Main. Started going almost 70. I think it's at 35. Pull him over. He casually pulls over and then just takes off. He was going pretty quick on those back roads. Looks like he took the turn too
Hey, girl,
quick.
how are you?
Plowed into some like sign or something like that. Took off running. He wasn't too fast.
Took out a fire hydrant.
Thankfully, didn't want to go over the fence because that would have been a pain in the you-know-what. And he gave up. So we got to see. I can already smell alcohol in him. We got to see what's in the car too. So we'll go from there. This kind of happened real quick. I was trying to do a little easy stop for the first day, but all right.
Hey, did we just have one
White lighter. It's bad luck. It's bad luck, dude. Did they get your phone? Did you get his phone?
Copy.
Yeah, it was just one.
Central 700, you just want to let fire know we also got a fire hydrant got clipped at highway.
I wasn't trying to do all this.
How you doing, girl?
God.
I was trying to get to him, but I didn't recognize Burke. All the other roads I
Yeah,
recognize.
you got some? You got anything in the car, dude? You just a little drunk? Is that why you ran?
I ain't even see the lights on me.
You pulled over? What are you talking about?
I see him out there. I ain't got no lights on me.
That's dumb, dude. You could have killed yourself. What'd you hit over there?
Whatever that was, my wife like
Probably. Is that her car?
Her car.
Can you get my phone from over there so I can
I got
call her and let
Yeah,
you-
we'll call her once we figure out all this. I just can't let you call and then you call like a whole group over here or something like that.
Nah, I
You know?
ain't no group or nothing.
I got you. Just give me a couple minutes. Does he have an ID in here or no?
700 Central, that 20 is going to be Limo Echo Papa 2029er.
Yeah.
LEP 2029 for North Carolina.
You got the right to remain silent.
Yeah, Bob.
You say that.
You don't know what he looked like, so I got his ID.
Oh, jeez. He's got family photos in here, buddy. I didn't get it. Yeah. I just got here maybe a minute before you hit that.
They advise if they're inbound or outbound on 277.
You got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't be used against you in court.
Yeah, I'm surprised he didn't bust and send water everywhere. No, he took it out. I said, that works better than our spike strips,
I'm
man.
fall asleep. Saying it so slow. Saying it so slow. What's your first name? What's your name? No, your first name, Chevron? Come here. Talk to me. The camera's over
I
there.
seen much, nothing on this side except open here.
Y'all finna loosen the cuffs on him, please?
I think he just did it.
Backpacks are usually a good sign. Oh man, he just got
First name
clothes in
Chevron?
him.
Yeah, CHEVR.
Let's go. Yeah,
Got
talk
on rain
to
after he hit
Deputy
the-
Horseman over here. Sorry, Master Deputy Horseman. Just give me a second. Let me run
I
over
don't
and-
know, man.
I think he's done running.
Jeez.
All right. I got things to do over here.
Yeah.
I would like to.
We're still, we'll find out in a second what
A
John lit
pursuit
him
that
up for,
started with a
what
minor
Oshak lit him up
violation
for.
quickly spiraled into reckless driving, a crash, and
Sounded
a foot
like over the
chase.
radio while he's
But
approaching the car
coordinated
just took
response
off.
and quick decisions
The
brought it to
guy
a
lost
controlled
control obviously
If you
took
found
out
this breakdown
the
intense and
fire hydrant
informative,
here.
drop your
Foot
thoughts below,
bailed,
like the video, and
ran directly
subscribe
down the
for more
road,
real
and
pursuit
looks like
analysis.
Oshak caught it. John lit him up for, or Oshak lit him up for. Sounded like over the radio while he's approaching the car just took off. The guy lost control, obviously took out the fire hydrant here, foot bailed, ran directly down the road, and it looks like Oshak caught up with him and got him. So we'll see what he's got while he's running, make sure the car's not stolen, which Sam's punching everything in right now, and go from there. A little bit of teamwork, a couple guys are down there with him. We took care of the car, cleared it, made sure there's no other occupants, no injuries, and start getting highway out here to work the collision with the fire hydrant and let the city know they got a hydrant that's not working right now. Wild. And I'm hoping it wasn't over a damn open container. That'd be wild. You just totaled your car out over a beer.
We have a little more information because we were there in John O'Shaughnessy's vehicle. So we know that the person was speeding and then decided not to pull over.
Guess
Well,
three's the
did
place
pull
to be
over
tonight.
and then left.
He's suspended. That's about it so far.